What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Since the car is white, it's really hard to see any flaws, but when you look at it under the light, you can clearly see there's a lot of swirl marks on this car. Whoever had the car before didn't really take care of it that well, probably ran it through a wash a couple times, wiped it down with a dirty rag. For today's project, we're going to be using a Rupes dual action polisher, a microfiber cutting pad, Meguiar's 205 finishing polish, and we're going to be using masking tape to mask off the area to do a before and after. We're going to be doing the fender. I've already done this part of the hood, so what I'm going to do now is use my DA polisher. We're going to be using a clay pad on it to save some time. It's going to strip away any light contaminants that's on the surface. Once that's done, we're going to wipe it clean, mask it off, and then get ready to polish the paint. So let's go ahead and get this set up. Alright guys, here's my Rupes polisher. I'm going to be using a clay pad. Gonna save us some time when we go and decontaminate the surface. Just gonna use a little bit of soapy water. Just make sure it's really saturated. Spray some on here. Once that's done, just spray it down with some alcohol. I want to thoroughly clean all of this off. Alright, for the purpose of the video, I'm going to mask it right here in half. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and mask off the hood because I've already polished that. And to be safe, you could tape off these side markers here or take them out. Again, the paint's not perfect. There's rock chips in here. There's actually a little bit of rust. Again, we're going to be using a DA polisher. I have a microfiber cutting pad. It's going to save a lot of time. And we're going to be using Meguiar's 205 Ultra Finish Polish. Spread it all over the pad, and I'm going to prime it. Just like that. Rub it in. I'm going to spread it around on 3, and we're going to bump it up to 4.5, maybe 6, depending on how aggressive I want to get with this, but we're just going to test it to see how well it works. So again, alright, so what I'm going to do now is turn the light off so I can see how much of a difference it is. Right now, from what I'm seeing in the garage, it looks really nice, but the only way to really see how bad or how good it is if you turn the light down, having separate lights hitting the panel so you can kind of see the contrast rather than being completely flooded like this. So alright guys, it looks like I was able to achieve what I wanted. I got the swirl marks out, the fine scratches are gone. It's a lot shinier. I could probably run it by one more pass, but it looks really good. I knew that with the swirl marks, I can use a aggressive pad like the microfiber cutting pad and a polish to start off to see what I need to do. Some cases you have to cut down a little more and use a compound to get it out, but in my case, I don't think I need that. If I want it to be pure perfection, I might need to do a compound, maybe a little wet sanding, but for the time being, getting rid of all of the swirl marks, this is perfect for it. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the hood and the fender, and I'll bring you guys back with another video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned a little bit of something. Until then, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.